Why is routine important, Alex?
So that you can ensure that you do the things that you say you want to do. And if you say you want to vlog, you gotta just vlog. Before you're ready, before you think you know what you want to shoot, you just gotta do it. Want a smoothie? Not bad.
That's all our gear. We're heading... This is hard. So it's about 10 after 7. We're heading to get some coffee, and Alex is going to tell you what's on the schedule for today.
What we're doing today is creating context for a new 90-foot sculpture wall made by a world-famous artist that's going to be installed at the Memorial Art Gallery outside, so it'll be open to the public. It'll probably live there for many, many years. It should be there after I'm dead.
This is a project that we've been filming for a little while now. Alex has been in Rochester following the progress of the construction at the Memorial Art Gallery. We both were in New York twice. Eventually, all of this will be combined into a short doc about this new permanent piece that's going up at the MAG.
Also, we walked right in the back door of the Met in New York and interviewed one of their curators.
That's true, it's pretty cool. We were not vlogging then.
Also, legally, we were not allowed to. We signed a contract that said we could not use the Met to promote our business.
We were never at the Met. We're here.
To people across the street, come over here. Yeah, come over here.
There's lots of artists in the world who could make something for this space. Why Rashid?
And he came to Rochester and he saw what we were doing and he wanted to be a part of it.
Great. Hey, Andrew.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, you?
Good.
We're going right to the Hawks Gallery next to the Dothan Gallery.
If she's sitting down, the higher they'll be in her headline. So if we bring her out here, then we back up with the cameras.
Right. We'll get a little bit of separation and more in line. Yeah. What's up, dude? That's a wrap on the day at the MAG. We got 3 interviews in 3 locations. We talked about art, we talked about change, we talked about culture, and now we're gonna go have a beer. We talked about art, talked about culture, now we're gonna have a go. Have to go with a beer. Talk about arches, and we talked about mulch. Now we gotta go. I have no fears.
It's humid out here.
It's hot. It's humid. It's a guy. I was gonna go get the car, but the car's got no e-brake. It's better to just walk it over there.
We're just gonna walk it.
Come on. Let's go.
Okay.
Hot cats. So hot out. Oh, crap.
I knew I should have helped.
It is a nice day. It's a beautiful morning.
Would have been nice to be taking off the drone right about now.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah!
Hey, man.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
You good, dude? What's up?
Hey, man. We're out here.
Power on.
This Kurt?
One.
I
Yeah.
don't know if Alex, you're in the
Hander?
wrong spot.
Oh, shit. Really?
But
Yeah.
Yeah!
whoop whoop. Got it.
How many strokes?
47.
It lives! Yo, Kev got it down.
You got it. Nice. Thanks.
Let's go, Kev, let's go!
10-4.
On the willow.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Action. Action. He flies it into a tree. We throw water bottles at it. It falls out of a tree, and he's still able to fly it and get more shots. Hey, Cav.
Yo, yo.
Act as if I'm not sticking this camera in your face and go get your ball. Action. I'm gonna come around.
GoPro on the range picker. Thank you. Love it. Nothing says driving range like GoPro on a range picker.
Action.
Let's see, we've been flying the drone. We've been hitting some golf balls. We've been sticking the GoPro to things. We've been using the gimbal. We've been putting the camera on sticks. We've got a pretty good range of shots here, and it's only 9 o'clock.
Alex. Well, I was not paying attention, but I heard it fly into a tree again. Oh.
No.
Oh man. Oh. Had a really excellent shot from low in the green, backing up, and I was on sport mode, and I stopped it right here. But on sport mode, the drone floats a little bit, and I forgot about that. So it tapped a branch, misdirected, and it was like it was drunk. It's just like it wouldn't go where I wanted it to go, and then it twisted itself in a tree.
It's falling.
Oh! Hell yeah! It's good, it'll be fine.
That was fun.
Yeah, I think we got a lot of good stuff.
I do think we got a lot of good stuff. I felt really good about a lot of that stuff. The drone, the gimbal, handheld, tripod, vlog. We got it all.
It's fun to be out on the golf course.
Heck yeah.
Kev, how's this stuff gonna be used?
Social media, ads, website.
Content. That's a wrap.
I also need to do 70 push-ups and 35 squats because I didn't have it in me to do it at 5 a.m. this morning, so I've yet to do that today. Things that are on my mind.
Hello. I dropped this camera today. Sorry, camera.
That's right.
Yes. No eating, no drinking. What's that flag called? The skipjack? The lumberjack?
Union Jack.
Union Jack. That was close.
When he toured the grounds, he was very in tune and aware that, hey, that's a public high school across the street. Instead of placing the sculpture here, why don't we put it there?
We're done for the day.
Now we can...
water up your nose?
Yeah. We're about to hang out and have a beer with Kristin. We're about to play some basketball.
It's not good enough.
And then you'll see the Rashid's piece, and you'll be wanting to wander over there. So there's going to be just this fantastic kind of energy that's going to move you through the park. Process.